Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and quick crochet coaster. This easy pattern is perfect for beginners and add a charming handmade touch to any table. So let's get started. We will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then I'm going to insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have a loop on our hook. This is the magic ring. And we will start with round 1. There we are going to chain 3 first. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain, 2 and 3. And then we are going to turn the work like this and work into the back loops. We are going to go into these 3 back loops now. So we will start by inserting the hook into the very first back loop over here. And then yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again, insert the hook into the next back loop, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again, insert the hook into the third back loop here, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Then go into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And then I'm going to go into the base stitch and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the 2 loops in the base stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. We are going to just repeat the pattern. We are going to go into these 3 back loops first. So insert the hook into the very first back loop here, yarn over, pull through the loop. Again go into the second back loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. Again go into the third back loop and yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we will go into the magic ring and pull up a loop. Now we have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over and pull through 2. Then again chain 3. And then we will work a slip stitch in the base stitch here. There insert the hook into both the loops, yarn over, pull through the loops and then pull through this loop as well. And this is the pattern we are going to repeat over and over again until we complete the circle. We will look into the pattern once more, go into these 3 back loops and pull up a loop from each one. So go into the first back loop and pull up a loop. Again go into the second back loop and pull up a loop. Go into the third back loop and pull up a loop. Now we will go into the magic ring and pull up a loop. Now we have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now chain 3 and work a slip stitch into the base stitch over here. Now we can just repeat the pattern until we complete the circle. Now Now I have completed the work up to here. Now I feel like the magic ring is too big for me. If you are feeling the same, you can just pull the tail a little like this to make the magic ring smaller, and then keep crocheting. Now I'm at the end of my coaster work. I have completed 22 petals, and then to finish off I'm going to cut the yarn off by leaving a long tail for sewing, and then we will use the yarn needle and join the pieces together as shown here. After that, we will just hide the tail by running it through a few stitches. Just like the same, we will hide the other tail as well. Now we have completed the work. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy coaster pattern. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. For exclusive patterns and more tips, check out my Patreon and see you in the next video.